Adrian, I got a new phone.
Hi guys. Shh. I'm making a YouTube video. And guys, we're going to do a reaction video. I'm going to do a reaction video. We're going to do a reaction video. And I don't know what we're going to react to. Jessie V, no.
Oh my God, what's here? How about a funny video? How about a funny video?
Yeah, but we're trying to do reaction videos. I'm trying to do a reaction video. My tablet's glitching out. And guys, this is gonna be great. I just know it. It's just gonna be great. This is going to be a great video. We're going to react to... This is going to be sad. My mom's old YouTube channel. Her name is Jennifer Wallace. We're going to watch...
Hi, hello.
That's my mom.
Where are you at, Jen? There you are.
And that's my dad in the background. That's my dad. That's my dad. My dad in the background.
Bye.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. That's not enough. So we're gonna watch this one. We're gonna watch this one.
Now we have to keep going.
That's my brother playing. That's my
Want to
dress.
see all the videos? Here's a commercial. How they can get.
That's me when I was little, guys. That's when I was little. And that was my brother's voice. That's my brother's voice. Back to Minecraft. This is going to be boring. And we're going to check out my brother's channel. Troll Army.
You still looking for something?
Yeah. I'll be right back.
For more scary phone calls. I've waited a while to recover from the
this
first video we
is
did.
the most scary phone calls video. I hope you guys don't get scared.
This is the top 10 most scary phone calls ever recorded, part 2. At number 10 now, we have the chimp attack. On February the 16th, 2009, police in Connecticut got a call from Sandra Herold. She had a 13-year-old pet chimp called Travis and had called police to beg for help. Travis was attacking one of her friends, a woman called Charlotte.
I hope you guys don't get scared because some of you are little kids and like most of you are grown-ups. Watch my video.
Did you have to hit Anthony? You started doing his face.
You should do that to Anthony
With your
again.
friend, I need to know.
If I could, I would break your door and throw
Coming
it,
at number 9 now,
throw
we
it
have
on
the
your
Rainbow
ass.
Granny. This creepy voicemail was uploaded to
Well, let's
YouTube by
go
a
in
girl
my
called
room.
Jessie J. She sent the voicemail to Info Man, referring to himself as Rainbow Granny. It's hard to make out everything he is saying in this clip, which might be a good thing because from what I can hear, it's
Hey, guys.
creepy.
My camera doesn't work.
I'm gonna keep calling you. Rainbow Granny, baby.
That was It was. They call her
Coming at number 8 now,
Rainbow
we have
Granny.
the calm murderer. In 2014, a 21-year-old man from Florida called Jefferson Sinclair called the police and calmly told them that he had just shot and killed his pregnant wife. If you can't even imagine how a person could say that calmly, then listen to this. His lack of emotion is more than chilling.
A murder has been committed. A murder has been committed? By who? By me, ma'am. By you? Yes, ma'am. Who did you murder? I murdered my wife.
All right, at number 7 now, we have the
How can
wrong
someone
number.
say-
This clip was uploaded to YouTube in
I
2010
don't know, how would someone,
and has
like,
since
do
racked
that?
up 100,000 views. A man calls the number asking for someone called Kathy. If you were Kathy and you got this call, what would you do? I'd probably move country.
I've been watching you for a long time, and you are rich in love. You're a darling girl. You're a beautiful girl.
Oh my god.
I hope that husband of yours tells you that plenty. Well, I sure love you and look forward to seeing you someday.
All right, at number 6 now, guys, we have the rapist. This is
scared?
a horrific call from the 80s in America where a woman called Karen
I
called the
think
police after
Gio's
an intruder
scared.
broke into her home. Karen ran upstairs to the bedroom
That's
and locked herself
creepy.
in. As she talked to the police, she could hear the intruder getting closer, and you can hear the fear in her voice.
Those are scary phone calls. In the video. My brother is right here. Everyone's here.
You scared?
No.
Next up at number 5 now, we have the
Yeah, wait.
amputated leg. In 2010, a man called John got his leg cut
Just look
off
at
at
his
a
face.
recycling plant in
Oh,
Florida.
wow.
He was by himself, he was scared, he was bleeding out, and he thought he was going to die. This was his 911 call.
I'm at Swarthus Stone, Orlando, which is on 7th Avenue. I just had my leg amputated by a bailiff. I need a 911 assistance immediately, please. You just had your leg amputated by a bailiff? Yes, ma'am. It is not a joke. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna bleed to death, I'm afraid. Okay, where are you?
Thankfully, John survived, and he was the one that uploaded that clip you just heard to YouTube. What a brave guy. Moving on to number 4 now, we have one message, no repeat. In 2011, police in Florida got a call from a 78-year-old man who told them he had shot his 21-year-old wife dead. He gave no reason for it. He then said he would spare the baby's life if the neighbor came to collect it. The call is chilling, and then the neighbor's call is just tragic.
I just want to let you know that I killed my wife and that I have a baby in here. I called my neighbors to pick up the baby. Anybody who will pick up the baby is alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in the
Take my own life.
Okay. Joe, are you scared?
Coming in at number 3 now, we have Jonathan Hoffman. On May 18, 2012, this teenager called the police to say that his grandmother had shot him 8 times after a dispute. He later died in hospital. The 75-year-old was sentenced to 20 to 40 years in prison. This was the call that police received from Jonathan.
I'm just gonna go back on the couch.
Coming in at number 2 now, we have the power of the crystal. This call was uploaded to YouTube by a guy called Kevin K. He said it came from a private number and appeared as unknown on his phone. It sounded like 2 people talking, and it just gets weirder and weirder as it goes on. And finally, number 1 now, we have Don Spirit. In 2014, this Florida man had recently come out of prison for accidentally shooting his young son, killing him. Then, he called police one day to say that he had killed his daughter and 6 of his grandchildren, all 11 years old or younger. He called the police to tell them what he had done, and that when they arrived on the scene, he would then kill himself. He stayed true to his word.
I just shot my daughter and shot all my grandkids, and I'll be sitting on my to step, and when you shoot here, I'm going to shoot myself.
Okay, how many people?
6 kids, 1 adult.
6 kids and 1 adult?
Yeah, one of them is a baby.
Alright guys, well that is all I have for you today on the whole scary calls thing.
Bye, guys. I hope you liked the video. Bye.